Our calibration facility is composed of an ISO container with a radar mounted on top. The advantage of that is we can move it anywhere in the world.
We do EW, which is electronic warfare, primarily for the Royal Navy. At Portland we do ships, and there's a sister facility up in Scotland that do the submarines. And we also do the occasional aircraft trial.
The radar that we project from has a very broad capability. It goes from 0.5 gigahertz right up to 18, and it can be seen for up to 25 miles right over to the horizon.
It's an RF transmitter. We transmit discrete RF frequencies at the RM platforms, and that allows them to check the performance, test the evaluation of their fitted surveillance equipment.
It's been built up over years through knowledge of the electronic warfare capability of the RN boats and all the possible threat analysis. For the customer, that means they get a unique scientific capability.
I think the main selling point is the location. Portsmouth to the east, Plymouth to the west. If the RN ships transiting past Portland Bill, we can perform a trial within 24 hours notice.
Uniquely, the LTPA is a vehicle that takes away all the immediate concerns from us in terms of running costs, and that gives us freedom to explore all of our possibilities and push the boundaries.